Today we're in Three Sisters. We're actually in Colliers Ridge. It's a very well established townhome on Drygas Gate, and we're in the up and coming Three Sisters neighborhood. We've got some great amenities coming to Three Sisters, which is really going to draw people out here, from grocery stores to coffee shops to wonderful restaurants just across the street.
And right in the middle of it is this 2-level walkout, 1,000 square foot, 2-bedroom townhome. Entering this 2-level walkout townhouse, we've got access from the 1-car garage into the main living, which is on the top floor. Morning light floods into the main living area here. Open concept, you've got a cozy gas fireplace, and that follows right out onto the deck. There's amazing mountain views as well as a storage area. So rounding out this main floor, we've got 2 front entry closets and a 2-piece bathroom.
So we're in a typical upside down Canmore house. We've got bedrooms on the lower level. We've got 9-foot ceilings in these bedrooms, and the primary suite behind me is at grade, and it's got a beautiful walkout patio that faces west. The second bedroom also has 9-foot ceilings, built-in closets, and is large enough to fit a queen bunk bed. On this level, we also have a 4-piece washroom and an incredible storage space with laundry.
So if you're looking for a 2-level, 2-bedroom attached garage townhome for the price of an apartment,
this is the one for you. As always, thanks for watching. Our contact information is just below if you want more information on this property, and don't forget to click that subscribe button. We've got some great videos coming in the next few weeks.